Simple habits to organize your financial life. In this video, I'll introduce you to some habits recommended by finance experts that will help you organize your financial life. According to a survey, for almost half of Brazilians, the biggest concern is organizing their personal finances. Another data raised is that 78.9% of families in Brazil are in arrears or not. If you find yourself in these statistics, the first step or habit you have to develop is to understand how much you really earn. I say this because many people tend to spend money thinking about the gross amount they receive in salary but forget to take into account expenses such as health insurance, social security, among others. If you take this into account, you will see that the amount available to spend is much lower, and you should base your financial controls on this final amount, which can vary from month to month. Therefore, you need to list all incoming and outgoing money in your account. You can do this using paper and pencil on a spreadsheet on your computer or using an app on your phone. It's important to have this habit of recording income and expenses. Second habit, pay yourself first. You know when you realize you've paid all your bills and there's nothing left to invest? Experts invite you to think and act differently. Have the following attitude. Once you have received your salary, leave an amount already reserved to be invested as if you were paying a bill. In this case, you will be paying yourself by investing that amount. It's the same as you do with fixed household bills like energy or internet that you have to pay monthly. The advice here is to start small and increase each month so you get used to paying for yourself. According to experts, by routinely doing this every month, you can cover your monthly expenses without giving up your investment plans. Being able to use this accumulated amount in the future either to make a financial reserve for emergencies or for your retirement. And you still have the bonus of being satisfied with doing something for you. Third habit, do some financial housekeeping. Small fixed, unnecessary expenses can eat into your monthly income without you noticing. A good place to start checking these unnecessary expenses is your credit card and bank statements. Check if everything there is really necessary, if it is useful, if you enjoy it. Pay special attention to the services you pay for monthly. Are you watching every stream you subscribe to? How often can the amount described there be negotiated? Fourth habit, simplify your financial life as much as possible. Finally, experts recommend simplifying financial procedures, making relationships with money more practical and expense management clearer. For this, they recommend, for example, assessing the real need to have multiple bank accounts or multiple credit cards. In addition to saving on fees, you won't have to spend time and effort transferring money from one account to another or managing how much you spend on each card. After cleaning, of course, put some fixed expenses on direct debit, avoiding paying interest due to forgetfulness. Fifth habit, don't go into debt anymore. Some people get out of debt, but on a whim or consumerism end up contracting others. To organize your financial life, you need to adopt a new posture. So try to assess what is keeping you in debt. For example, is your standard of living higher than your income? Or is it difficult to deal with unforeseen circumstances because you don't have a financial reserve? Do you even have difficulty controlling your impulses to buy things? Sixth habit, organize your expenses in advance. In addition to monthly expenses, you need to organize sporadic expenses and income. For example, receiving Christmas bonus, paying taxes, car insurance, buying school supplies for the children, and so on. And this will help you plan with future expenses and not have an out of control in your finances. If you like these tips, then give this video a like and share it on your social networks. Do you want content that can make you evolve personally and financially? Then subscribe to our channel.